Alright, I'm back with another short information video that I hope helps y'all. Customer brought in a 2005 BMW X5. They said it was the starter, so they brought their own starter. I replaced it. That was not it. Vehicle had a no start, no crank. You could stick the key in the switch, turn it, it would do nothing. No, it wouldn't click, it wouldn't do nothing. So I spent hours and hours and hours on it, trying to figure it out, trying to diagnose it, running through wires, checking every possibility. Seen the immobilizer was active on it. So I looked on the ignition switch, and the customer had this little bling ring, bedazzle ring, whatever, on the ignition switch like that. So pulled that off, stuck the key in the switch, started right up. That is too thick for the transponder to read the key. Hope that helps y'all. If there's a bling ring or whatever on that switch, take it off. The immobilizer will go back to normal. Hope that helped.